All right, today, Friday, we got a ton of horsepower at the shop. We got a Camaro ZL1 2023, brand spanking new. Got 200 miles on it, got 0 miles. The customer just bought it. You know what he does? He calls me up, he says, boom, we're slapping a Borla attack system on it. He's gonna keep it, hold on to it. It's a collector's car. They're not making them anymore. Then we got a V8 twin turbo M5 Competizione. Customer just picked it up. You can see it's a special edition, anniversary edition with the special BMW logos. V8 twin turbo, V8 supercharged. Two monsters, a bunch of horsepower, over 1,000 horsepower at the shop right now. We're slapping 2 exhaust systems on there, Borla for the Camaro, and then Mr. Shaft, all right, for the M5. Sweet ass setup on both of these cars. We're gonna put them up. Camaro's already up, M5's about to go up. Let me show you the system on this Camaro real quick. Pretty basic Camaro SS setup. It does have 2 secondary cats right here, 2 main cats up front. We're not touching those. This is a cat back, so it starts from here back. 2 dual pipes all the way through. Has a factory X pipe. We're upgrading all that. And then the crush pipe for the convertible setup. And then a valve controlled MPP muffler with the quads on the back. All right, this customer wants it a little bit more aggressive, wants the valve control, so we got him the Borla attack with the MPP. And comes with a nice set of carbon fiber tips, which is pretty damn sweet. The highest quality Borla attack system you can buy, MPP with the carbon tips, probably the best setup you can get, all right, especially for an American muscle car. Borla specializes in stuff like that. So we got this grabber blue paint, which is one of the sweetest paint jobs you can get on a Camaro. And like I said, it's a limited edition car. They're only making so many of them. They just stopped making them this year. So the 2023 is the last year. So this actually might be a 2024. So like I said, limited production, no more ZL1s on the market anymore. Camaro just stopped production. Customer snatched one, he's holding on to it. So then on the back lift, we got a BMW M5 V8 twin turbo competition. Going with the catback Meisterschaft GT Haas, baby. This is one of the baddest systems on the market for the Germans. They specialize in German muscle, just like Borla specialized for American muscle. These guys are German muscle car specialists. So let me show you this system real quick. This is a pretty basic factory catback on an M5. Dual 3-inch piping, resonator in the midsection, big ass stabilizer in the middle, and then no more resonators besides that one in the front, and then the rear muffler in the back. Does have this equalization pipe in the back to give us some kind of, flow distribution, all right? And then it does have the valves on there, which every M5 has. So we're upgrading the full catback. We're slapping a set of M Performance tips on there. Custom options available at Gexhaust.com and at the shop. So if you're in Davie or Oakland Park, you come by, you buy a Meisterschaft system, you want some M Performance tips on that, we got them at the shop, so we can upgrade them. You don't have to buy the stock Meisterschaft's tips. So like I said, we're gonna drop this. We're gonna take these covers off, unbolt the whole system. We gotta take this huge stabilizer off. I don't know if you guys see this, but this thing's a huge skid plate. All M5s have this. I guess it's for rigidness, so the car doesn't fall apart when you're turning. It is a big monster for four-wheel drive V8 twin turbo, almost 600 horsepower. It's a tank, so you got to stabilize it. You got to add bars like this, and you guys can see pretty heavy duty underneath. So we're gonna take everything apart, show you guys what the Meisterschaft system looks like, and all done. ZL1 supercharged monster Borla attack system, stock system complete garbage. We got rid of that. We slapped the Borla attack, full 3-inch exhaust all the way through, upgraded X pipe. Like I said, complete garbage, guys. This one does have an MPP system, so you guys can see Borla attack. All right, sound deadening technology, anti-drone technology, maximum performance technology, sponsored by Borla. Comes with the carbon fiber tips. Look pretty damn sweet. Customer is ecstatic. He's actually in my car over there on a meeting. We're gonna drop it, rev it, and let you guys hear how it sounds, because this thing sounds like an absolute monster. So, Borla attack system install, one of my favorite upgrades for a car like this. If you're looking for a catback, remember Gexhaust.com. We just revamped the website. It's looking pretty fresh. Check it out. Link's gonna be below. And if you have any questions, ask us, right there in the comments, or DM us on Instagram or just give us a call. You got my number pretty much everywhere. ZL1 completely done, looking sweet with the carbon fiber tips. Let me show you guys this. This thing's pretty sick. One of the coolest features of the ZL1s is the carbon fiber hood scoop, and it covers up this sick ass supercharger, boy. Hell yeah, LT4 supercharge. Pretty sweet. Next upgrade would be an air intake for sure, available at Gexhaust.com. And like I said, you got this carbon fiber hood scoop, which is pretty sweet. You got this asshole behind me with the fucking truck. Of course, while we're shooting a video, it's gotta come and make all the noise in the world. Got the M5 Meister shaft all done. Things looking absolutely sweet. Got the M Performance tips on the back. Came out awesome, man. I mean, the tips match the car perfect to a T. You got the titanium finish to match the titanium gray on the car, the carbon fiber to match the carbon fiber up front, and Performance. What more could you ask for out of a BMW? So you got Meister shaft GT Haas with the M Performance tips. Looks absolutely outrageous. I'm gonna rev it, show you guys the interior real quick. Yeah, this is the 5 Series M5 competition. Pretty basic interior, but looks sweet. You can see the chrome, black chrome finish, black on black, pretty much everywhere. You got M1, M2, you got the shifter here, so you can go spinning gears. And then you got M2 if you want to go in performance mode. Confirm, boom. Spicks. Sounds awesome. Customer is ecstatic. We just ordered him an Venturi air intake, full carbon fiber, $3,000 air intake, guys. It's outrageous. When he gets it done, we're gonna post it on our Instagram, so check that out. And like I said, black on black, M5 interior, pretty sweet, nothing too crazy. Doesn't have the racing seats, but you don't need it. You want comfort, you want performance, you want styling. You get an M5 competition. Best of every world right here. So M5, GT Haas, Meister shaft, Gexhaust. If you're looking for systems like this, reach out to us. We got them available at the shop, Davie, Oakland Park. And don't forget Gexhaust.com. We got mostly everything on our website. So reach out if you have any questions. Gexhaust out.